with Get Up. And then we're going to have Evangelist Doreen Brown, Denise Brown with Tighten Up. Give them a round of applause as they get ready to come forth. From Psalms 95. I'm going to go through this, y'all, because I don't know how many minutes, but I just let God have his way, then I'm done for real. Psalms 95, 1 through 3. Oh, come, let us sing unto the Lord. Let us make a joyful noise to the rock of our salvation. Let us come before his presence with thanksgiving and make a joyful noise unto him with song. For the Lord is great and a great king above all God. Psalm 96, 1 and 2. Oh, sing unto the Lord a new song. Sing unto the Lord all the earth. Sing unto the Lord, bless his name. Show forth his salvation from day to day. Psalm 100, 1 through 2. Make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all ye lands. Serve the Lord with gladness. Come before his presence with song. Psalm 34 and 1. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise shall continually to be in my mouth. Glory to God. I praised up when God opened my eyes, allowed me another day. I praised up